So welcome back. Still loving the e-Niro. That's become Ursula's main car. It's approaching 60,000 miles. So at 60,000 miles, I'll do an overview of how brilliant that car's been. But for now, I've got some more stuff to fit to the Tesla, not free, stuff I've actually paid for. So from Tesla themselves, they came back in stock. I quite fancy them. They're projector lights for the Puddle lights that fit in the front doors. So let's get them fitted. So they came in a smart little box. Ordered them via the Tesla app, £60 for the pair. They came in about 5 days, which was pretty fast for 𝐓𝐾𝐒. And they're also handed. One's got R on, the other one's got L on for the left-hand side. So I've just done the passenger side, so I'm going to do the driver's side. So now I know what to do. I can show you guys quite clearly. So that's the old bulb that came out the bottom of the door. And the new projector, they're handed. So this is the right-hand side. So yeah, it's not particularly straightforward. You do get a bit nervous about using a trim tool to take the old one out, but let me show you how I did it. And another good reason, have some 3W car mats. This is out the boot. Excellent surface to lie on. So there's the Puddle light. So use the old trim tool to take it out. Now it is, I want you to be able to see it, a bit stiff to say the least. And the advantage of a trim tool is that you're not going to scratch any of the plastic, because this is made out like of a hard plastic. So I recommend you use the proper tool rather than a knife. Otherwise you're going to damage the trim. And as you can see, it's a bit of a struggle. So there we go, a bit of force, and it just drops out. So then, whether you can see it or not, there's a little clip there. You just press that down. So there's a little catch just there. You just press that tab down, unplugs the light. So this is the right hand side, driver's side. Obviously it's a repeat of plugging it in. And just to show you as well, on here there's like two little raised bits on one side of the projector, and the other side it's smooth. Just remember that, because that tells you which way to put it in. But let's plug it in. Can only plug in one way. So you see that little cutout underneath? That's what we want those two tabs to sit into. So it basically tells you which way around. So that little cutout is where those two tabs on the projector needs to slot into. So with those two slots facing me, it's a question of feeding the cable back into the bottom of the door card and then just juggling around the unit so it fits back in the hole. It's a bit of a tight squeeze. There, it's in. It just jumped in really hard, and I can't pull it out to show you how it went in, but it needs a bit of force and it popped in really, really well. So what I'm going to do is keep these safe, so if ever I send my Tesla back to Tesla, I can put the original ones back in. So what does he look like? Well, the Puddle lights used to be like that on my gravel drive. Now on the same bit of drive we get the Tesla emblem. Quite pleased with how this has turned out.